Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually showing you a brand new money making website that is 100% passive, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to set this up and start making some free money. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. First step that you need to do in order to get some instant payments from this one website, this brand new website, is coming over here to Express Crypto, and I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video so you can actually sign up right away with Express Crypto so you can start making some passive income. Now, Express Crypto is a micro wallet where you can actually get like small bits and portions of money or cryptocurrency, and you can actually withdraw this later on so you can actually get some free money from websites. Now, here is the payment proof right here, guys. Now, you're going to be getting this every single minute or every single couple of minutes depending on the options that you choose, and I'm going to show you the website that's going to be paying you out in a second. Now, if we scroll up just a tiny bit, guys, all you're going to need is right here this unique user or this unique ID. All you have to do is just copy that. Now we're ready to get to the website and start making you some money. So this is the website right here, and the links are going to be down in the description for all of the faucets that are going to pay you out every couple of minutes passively. And as soon as they leave this platform and get sent to Express Crypto, it's going to become a legit platform at that moment, guys, because it is off their platform, it is out of their wallets, and it is inside of your Express Crypto account after you finish watching this video. So let me refresh to see if I got a new deposit inside of my account from that website, guys. This is all showing you payment proof right now. As you can see, I just got some more cryptocurrency. So let me start up the other ones and show you how you can start getting money just like this one right now. So the first step that we have to do is come over here. We have to sign into this, guy. So I'm going to leave the links to all of these in the description right now so you can get started today and start making some free money. So now the next step that we have to do is come over here to the cryptocurrency, and I'm going to show you all of them, guys. So all we have to do is type in our user ID right there and then click on verify captcha. Now we have to type in this captcha name right here. So let me just type this in really quick so you can see that this is 100% easy and working, and this is done everywhere. This is a worldwide method. So as soon as you finish it, guys, you're gonna get like this little link that pops up at the bottom of their advertisement. Click on get reward and it should start up the bot right after that, or the faucet, guys. So as you can see, now we're gonna start getting some free money from this one website every single minute. If you can see at the top right hand corner of the screen, you can see how much you're going to start to earn right here, guys. So now let's open up the other ones and to start making some money. This is ETC, guys. So now we have to click on verify captcha. This is going to pay out every 3 minutes. So now once we click on verify captcha, we're going to have to do the same steps, guys. So sing a song, and then now we have to figure out this one down here at the bottom. So it's going to be 1, 6, and 4. Now you see that little link. Now we click on get reward, and now it starts up the next faucet. So now we have to wait every 3 minutes, and then we're going to start to get paid out every 3 minutes from this website. Now there's multiple other cryptocurrencies that we can use. So now let's just continue doing this, guys. So now I'm just going to sign up for all of them, and then I'm going to show you my Express Crypto wallet to show you how easy it is to start making some passive income by leaving these tabs open and just running. So now that you can see, I have all of the captchas already completed for every single faucet inside of this one website, guys. And again, the links are going to be down in the description for every single last one of these. So we have red coin right here. So that is going to be this one, and you're going to get paid out every 5 minutes. So every 5 minutes, you're going to be getting paid out some money, some free red coin, guys. So this is a really cool website, and I enjoy these websites because they automatically get taken out of their wallets and put into ours. So that is is the reason why I love these websites so much, because as soon as we actually redeem this, you start to get some free money. So let's put in our user ID on this one real quick, because I forgot to actually sign into it. So now we're going to be getting our money every single minute for this currency right here. So now if we just go on to the Doge one, it is the same thing. You just come over here, verify the CAPTCHA, you click on take potluck, so take potluck, and then you just come down here and figure out this other small CAPTCHA. So it has 2 X's and an O. So let's look for something that has 2 X's and like a 0 or a line through it. So it has 1 X and then 2 zeros, and it has an X0, X0, and then this one's the same. So now we just click on get reward, and it starts up all over again every minute, guys. So this is a really cool way you can start to make money right now as soon as you're done watching this video and get some free cryptocurrency, guys. So now if we come back over here to my Express Crypto wallet, let's come down here and check out the recent incomes in the last 24 hours. So at the beginning of this method, I showed you these two. So now let's refresh the page, and I'm going to show you that there's going to be more that popped up just now for keeping this running for like 4 minutes or 3 minutes, guys. So now since we refreshed the page, let me do it one more time to show you. So let's refresh the page one more time, and then once we have finished refreshing the page, guys, we're gonna let this all load up really quick. So as soon as it's done loading up, let's go down here to your recent income in the last 24 hours. Let's turn that up and look at all of these that have just been deposited inside of my Express Crypto wallet, guys. Now this may not look like a lot of money to you, but eventually they're gonna start to just pile up inside of your account and just grow constantly. Every time you come in, every morning, every once a week, 2 times a week, or every single day, totally up to you, you just refresh the page and you're just gonna have a little bit more cryptocurrency just piled up inside of your account. So this is the reason why this is a really cool way to make passive income right now in 2020 by using these methods. I also had a recent video that I've created around 6 days ago. As you can see, it's this one right here. It says get paid out every 60 seconds, legit new method. Now this one is just almost the same exact that I just showed you today in today's video, guys. Now there's other ones I have talked about too that are going to pay out every 60 seconds. Look, like this one paid every 60 seconds right here. That was 3 months ago. This one is paid out every 60 seconds, and that's 2 times because there's 2 different websites. So now in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this will be the fifth website where you can start getting paid out every single minute passively. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.